So let me start this session, actually the webinar on e-learning. So what we are going to see now is we are going to see the different platforms where you can see all the e-learning courses or the contents that are available. So starting with the Swayam, we are going to see the first one, the Swayam portal. There are a lot of courses in this particular Swayam portal. See, n number of free courses are there in this Swayam portal. Usually what they do is in every year, 2 times they will conduct different types of courses, and if you need a certificate, then you have to pay some money and you have to write the examination and you have to get that particular certificate. But now, due to this lockdown period, what they have done is instead of going for the certificate courses, they have included a lot of free courses actually, where you can see the videos of that particular free courses, and you can join whatever the course of your choice. See here, you can go for the all courses tab, where you can find n number of courses. Usually in the month of April they won't start any course, but due to this lockdown period, they have started so many courses in the month of April. So that's the main thing. So see here, the courses for all branches will be over here, and you can choose a course, anything of your particular choice, and you can click on this particular course and you can join into that particular course. That is the main thing which you have to do in order to use that particular course. And the courses contains different things, where some courses will have assignments also, and some courses will have only videos. Suppose I will show you an example of R programming course. So if you take this course, actually you will have only the videos over here, because this course was started in the month of April. So you have to see all these particular videos by clicking on this particular link. Chapter by chapter you can see everything, and you can learn the R language on your own. See, there are n number of videos are there. You can see all those and you can go for it. Actually, Swayam, where you can go and register your courses of your choice. So when coming to the second one, actually AICT is also providing from some free courses for this lockdown period. Actually, only for this lockdown period, the courses that are available in this particular AICT Alice platform usually costs around 5,000 to 20,000. But now they are giving those courses for free. So you can see over there. So there are a lot of courses which are free, which are provided by different providers. So there are a lot of courses, and all the courses are free. Some courses they have live courses also. So these courses also, the videos will be present over there, and you can see all those videos, and you can use those videos to learn whatever thing which you want to learn. Suppose if you go for the 361 Minds Java programming course, they will ask you to enroll, and but there is a small thing in this particular AICT free courses. Some courses you have to generate a request to the course provider, and they will check your request, and then only they'll give you they will provide you the login ID and password. So directly you can't enroll for some courses. They will check your credentials, everything there, certificate will be issued to you. So next, coming to the Udemy provides free courses as well as paid courses also. So if you are choosing the free course, obviously you are not going to get any certificate, but in your login it will show that you have completed that particular course. Other than that, generally you cannot get a certificate. Suppose if you are going for the paid course, no, automatically they will give you a certificate for that if you clear that examination. Then so Udemy has different types of courses actually. You can go for the categories, and you can select here the courses which you want. Suppose I have gone for AWS certification. There will be some free courses. There will be some paid courses also. Someone are using the annotations. Okay, no issue. See, the lot of courses are provided over there. You can check here. So many courses are there. You can click on the course which you want. See, all courses are, they are showing an amount of 420 rupees, which indicates that if you are going to pay that amount and if you are going to complete this particular course, a certificate will be issued to you. So if you want a certification, then only you need to pay this particular amount. Suppose if you don't want, then no need to pay. Visible, no one will write it down. So this is the use of the Udemy, and a lot of free courses are there. You can complete all the courses and you can see those courses in your particular login, whether you have completed that course, up to what extent you have completed that course, what is the percentage of completion, like that. Everything you can see over there. Generally, free courses don't have any examination. So you can see all the videos and you can gain some sort of knowledge. That is the of completion, like that. Everything you can see over there. Generally, free courses don't have any examination. So you can see all the videos and you can gain some sort of knowledge. That is regarding the third one. And the next one is TCS ION. This is a very important course started by TCS during this lockdown period is there, where you can learn everything. One course is there particularly in the TCS ION. This is the course Career Edge. So if you learn this particular course, so what the benefit you are going to get is, this course is a complete course for every student, starting from what he should do for attending interview, what he should prepare for the interview, what he is going to do on the day of the interview, how he is going to write the resume, how he has to prepare for that particular interview, and how to maintain the communication skills, how to maintain the personality skills. So everything regarding a complete course regarding this particular a job, to get a job, whatever required to get a job, everything is there in that particular course actually. So you can go for this course, and this is a very useful course. New mail ID and you can log in with this, and this is a 15-day course actually. So in these 15 days also, what they are going to do is, for each day they have one module for you. So you have to complete that particular module. At the end of the module, you will have one assessment test where there will be 10 questions in that assessment test. In that 10, 4 will be the pass mark. So that is very easy. If you learn that, if you listen to that particular videos, 100% you can clear all that assessment exams. And at the end of the 15th day, this is a 15-day course. At the end of the 15th day, one final exam will be there, where it contains 4 sessions and 30 bits actually. So in the session number 1, 15 questions will be there, out of which everything is regarding the personality development and communication skills only. That is very easy, you can complete it. Second session will be on accounting and auditing. Third one will be on IT related, and the fourth one will be artificial intelligence course. So first session will consist of 15 questions. Next 3 sessions will consist of 5 questions each. The total pass mark will be 18. So you have to answer at least 18 questions correctly in order to get the certificates. Whoever clears that particular examination will be given an e-certificate on the spot. So you'll get an e-certificate which you can use, or courses actually, free courses. If you are interested, you can do those courses also. One of that course is a communication skills course. It is good actually. So how you are going to communicate with your friends or with your colleagues or with your faculty, like that, everything is there. It is a good course also. You can go for that particular course also. So the next one is the Ellison. So next one is the Ellison. Ellison also provides some free courses. So here you can go for the different types of courses. I'm going for technology. So in technology also we have different types of courses. Once you complete this particular course, a certificate will be issued to all of you. E-certificate will be given to all of you. So you can use that particular e-certificate. We have different types of courses for all the branches. So you can choose a course of your choice and you can complete it. And after completing, you will get a end. You please give your question over there. I'll give all the answers for your questions at the end. Okay, next one is the Google. So if you want to be a digital marketing member or a digital marketing advisor, then you have to go for this particular Google certification. Google Digital Garage gives a certification free of cost. Suppose if you want to be a digital marketer. So this course is free of cost only actually, where for digital marketing only you are going to use this particular course. So there are some other courses also where that courses are not that much useful for us actually. So digital marketing course, definitely you can use this. See this course, for example, fundamentals of digital marketing. In this there are 26 modules. So each and every module will have a examination. So if you are going to clear that exam, next obviously second module will get opened. But the main thing is, if you are not able to clear that first module, no need to worry. Again, you can take the exam. So any number of times you can write the exam until you clear that particular thing. After completing of these 26 modules, a final examination will be there. So if you are going to clear that particular examination, Google will give you a certification, e-certification, specifying that you have cleared this digital marketing course. So this, if you complete this course, see for example, if you complete this course, there are 26 modules in this. See the second course, Get a Business Online. There are 7 modules. These 7 modules are also included in this particular 26 modules. So this particular fundamentals of digital marketing course is a combination of different courses. So where if you learn this particular course, so many courses also you will be able to complete. Here 100% indicates that you have completed that particular course. So you can track the status also, and this course is very easy. You can easily complete it actually. So that is regarding the Google digital marketing. Next one is the open learning. So in open learning, 1 minute. Next one is the open learning. Open learning also, there are some courses where if you complete that particular course, they are giving you a free e-certificate. But most of the courses are related to management, but computer related, and some courses related to Windows also, Windows or Office are also available. So you can use those, and you can complete those courses. Here, after completion of this particular course, automatically a e-certificate will be generated in the login, and you can download that particular e-certificate. So this course content is very good actually. In open learning also, the content is very good, where we can easily learn that particular thing. So the next one will be the Microsoft Learn. So what Microsoft Learn does is, if you want to do any certification on Office tools, that is PowerPoint, Excel, Word, like that, Office 365. If you want to do any certifications on Microsoft, then you are going to use this particular Microsoft Learn, where actually you'll have different types of courses regarding to Office, Azure, Cloud. So these three are the different platforms are there. Here Azure, complete Azure details will be there. Lot of courses are there on Azure, and lot of courses are there on cloud computing also. You can select a course and you can complete that particular thing. Once you complete this particular course, an e-certificate will be given to you. So this is regarding the Microsoft items only, because they won't give any other this thing. So Office, Azure, and cloud only. If you want to do, you can go for this particular course. Next one is the Sailor.com. This is one of the best sites where we can get a good content related to our subject. For example, I take computer communication for EC and CSE branches. It is useful. So if we see this, actually Sailor.com, the courses are very good actually, and the content is huge, so that it will take you so much of time actually to complete this particular course, but the content is very, very good, and examination is also very tough. So if you clear the examination only, they will give you the certificate, and clearing the examination, you will have 50 questions actually. So out of 50 questions, what you have to do is you have to at least get 70% of the marks. So out of 50, you have to get at least 70 questions right. So if you get 70 questions right means, then you can clear that particular examination. Suppose if you are going to, if you are not clearing that particular examination means, again you have to retake the examination after 1 week. So for every week you can write once. If you clear, you will get an e-certificate. But the content which is there in this particular Sailor Academy website is very, very good actually. So yeah, it will take some time also. For example, what the course which I told is, it consists of around 58 videos are there. So you have to see all the videos in order to clear that particular examination. It is somewhat tough actually, but you will get a good content. No, that's why you can use this particular Sailor Academy for completing your online courses. So the next one will be the BIT degree, where BIT degree you will get some certifications here also. So what they are going to do is, they are going to give you a lot of courses, and they'll give you some assignments also. So if you complete that particular course, then e-certificate will be developed, will be given to you. See here, lot of courses are regarding marketing, IT security, design, data science, coding, business, blockchain, everything. All the latest technologies are here. And if you complete this particular a course, and they will help you in completing also. There is no issue in that. Suppose if you are not able to do means, they will help you in clearing that particular course actually. So after completing, they will easily specify, this is the procedure which you have to follow, you please follow this. After this, click one, like that. Everything minute things also they will specify to you, and it will be helpful for you to complete your course. Once you complete your course, a certificate will be given to you. So that is regarding the BIT degree. Next one is the Oxford. So Oxford also has some courses actually by the name Oxford Home Study. So where you can go for this particular courses. See, lot of courses are there. Main, if you want to know the cyber security, if you want to do any course for cyber security, then this is the good platform for you. Where if you want to learn any cyber security courses, you can use this one, and you can complete that particular course. The content is also good actually, and course you can complete it easily. But for the certifications, not all courses are free, but some courses they won't charge money, but if you want the certification, you have to pay the amount. So next one is the Pluralsight. So Pluralsight also provides a lot of courses. So here in Pluralsight also, so here a lot of courses are there, but only for some courses certificates will be given, and other courses simply you can see the courses actually. See here, 2 hours 20 minutes I have seen this particular course. So like this, you can see the course actually. So for some courses, they will provide you the certificates also, and you can take the paid courses also over here. Paid courses are also there. If you want to do any paid courses, you can see it. And next one is the free code camp. Suppose if your aim is becoming a coder. See, if you want to develop something and if you want to learn about coding, then this is the best site. So many freelancers are there here. In this website, so many freelancers are there. They will help you in developing the code and all. So you can earn the certificates by developing the code actually. So this is also one of the very good platforms for learning the coding. And the other websites are also there. See here, Coursera is there, edX is there, Khan Academy is there, Udacity is there, Lynda actually now LinkedIn has take out it. So these are the courses which are there, but the main thing here is these courses, unless Khan Academy, rest of the courses actually, they won't give you free courses. What they are saying is, due to this lockdown period, they are giving free courses till May 15th. Like that, they are giving the free course, but they will ask you a credit card. to enroll for these particular courses. They will not charge you anything for the credit card, but the main thing is, suppose they will give you a 15 days or 1 week or 1 month trial version. So in that 1 month only, you have to